designer at the Breadbasket Cake Company in Camarillo, and I'm going to show you how to tie-dye fondant. There's two ways to do it. First one, you can get regular white fondant and then get vegetable or oil base color dye, and then you just put a little bit on it, on your fondant, and then start mixing it, and then you get a nice solid color like this. After you do that, you can just get, again, some white fondant, get a little chunk of your favorite colors that you want to do, put them all together, and it's just literally start having fun with it, mixing it up, going around it, and that gives you that pattern that you're looking for. And make sure that before you start working on it, you put a lot of powdered sugar on the table so you can actually start spreading the fondant, and then you get the color dye through the fondant himself. And that way you can get a nice mix of colors and a cool pattern.